Hello, people. So it's been so long since I chatted with you folks. Yeah, I mean, it's like I only keep making these reviews, and now these rabbits have also taken over my life. But I really have to say this, that of late I've begun like practicing singing on my, I just recorded on my WhatsApp audio and keep it. Like, there was a time I used to make singing videos and put it on YouTube, and so like no and the results weren't so spectacular, so I just dropped the idea. But really, do you think I should do that, like put up singing videos? No, because the whole act of singing itself is like you're putting yourself out there. Yeah, I mean, I think it's a very brave thing, to that's why, I mean, many people might have a good voice quality, but to be able to actually stop and sing, is like you need to have that level of self belief and courage, and people listening also need courage. So no, but what was I about to say? So yeah, let me know if I should, because what I feel is like certain voices, like Amitabh Bachchan when he sings. Yeah, I mean, I I don't know. It makes me very emotional. That there's that Bengali song "Aikla Cholo." I mean, one would say that the lyrics are so powerful, but that very same song that is sung by other people, it doesn't have the same impact as when Amitabh Bachchan sings. Because what I feel is your voice is reflective of the kind of person one is. Like if a person is honest, that is seen in their voice itself. At least I feel. And see, right now there's some person honestly selling vegetables outside, so you could hear that, but now you can't. So yeah. So really, people, so let me know if I should start singing, because my grandmother used to sing for All India Radio. Like yeah, in undivided India. Imagine. But yeah, and did you know, just holding the note sa, it can really improve your voice quality. And at some levels singing helps balance the chakras. So no wonder you notice, yeah, all the many people who are singers, they tend to look very young. It's because I think the chakras are getting balanced on a daily basis. So what do you say? Do you think I should start singing? Please let me know in the comment section below. Even if you all don't let me know, I think I'll keep practicing till I've reached a level where people can tolerate my singing. But really, no, and also this one thing that they say, the voice is such that everyone has a good voice, and uh, your voice can suit different songs. So like Illa Arun has her own genre, just as Kavita Krishnamurti would have her own genre. So but we need both. We need Illa Arun type of music also sometimes, and Kavita Krishnamurti. So so on that note, this is a very long video, 3 minute long video, but I really felt I should make this. And these days, soon after my YouTube, I do this Instagram thing also, because it makes me feel good, and I feel I have to get subscribers. So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.